That's a nice GMC out here. Very sharp looking trucks with nice rims. He said I could take a video. Hey, he's beautiful boat. Nice details on it. And it's called State Line Marine. That's where this is going. And it's called really a Phoenix. You see the tires under there. Real. This is very, very sharp. See a little bit of a dashboard in there. Hummingbird. This is power. Got it protected here. Just show a little bit of the other side. Phoenix on the back of those seats. They got a nice trailer too. Of course, you have to pull it on. Very nice attachment. Beautiful boat. You're ready for the water.